Hey, I've got something special just for my card making friends. This is something we have been working on behind the scenes for a couple years now, and I am so excited to share it with you. Our friend Jen Gross has helped as well. This is the A2 Cardmaker's T-Square. It's so cool. Look, in one direction, you've got 5.5 inches, so it works for landscape, or you spin it around and it works for portrait with 4.25 inches. There's a 0 center in both sides, and then also 2 pink dots to mark the thirds. And then Jen had this awesome idea to add border jigs. So if you flip the ruler over, you've got a 1/2 inch border on one side. So you just nestle your card base into the inner corner, and then you take your card panel that's cut down to be 1 inch smaller. That'll give you 1/2 inch borders. And then you can just line it up in the outer corner there, and it will be perfectly aligned. It's so cool. Look, I'll flip it around. You can see. Perfect. Now there are 2 sides. So we added a second jig. The other side has a 3/8 inch border, and you just do the same thing here. You cut your panel to be 3/4 of an inch smaller total, so that'll give you 3/8 of an inch in any direction, and you just line it up and slide it in. I don't know about you, but the bigger panels, they're harder for me to eyeball, so having this guide is really, really handy. I'm loving it. Now remember the 0 center and those 2 pink dots I was talking about? It's in both directions. And what you're going to do is just line it up. I have this card in portrait obviously here, so I've got the 4.25 side up. And you see when I put my little sentiment down, it's really, really simple to just eyeball and get it between those pink dots. Of course it works in the other direction as well. Just spin your ruler, and then you can line up your sentiments on a landscapes card. So it's perfectly centered and it's perfectly straight. Everybody who makes cards is going to need this T-Square, right? I love it. You can get yours today.